US crude started the week on a flat note right now, not indicating neither bullishness nor bearishness. At the same time, natural gas has achieved my next target at 2.9 levels beautifully. I hope you all profited. We have been buying since 2.06, 2.1 levels. I have been mentioning that you can remain long, remain long, remain long. Yes, the 2.9 levels are achieved. Next is 3, but right now it is willing to retrace. So what position you should take and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. First we look into US crude followed with nat gas. Do watch till the end. If you look at the oil prices on the hourly chart, see there was a long tail here, and since then it has created the support at 68, tried to rise. Now it is retracing 69 levels. Very good support. 68.8, 69.2, my favorite zone here for oil. Very good resistance here, and it is now trying to get the support from these levels. And still, so once it stays below 68.8, that is the point below which you can sell for 68.5, 68 and below levels. Then you can say that after this drop, consolidation and retracement, it is again willing to drop and trying to take a direction. So 68.8, a good selling level for now. Stochastic is oversold. MACD on the hourly charts is willing to converge crossover. RSI has also retraced and now trading in a comfortable zone, neither bullish nor bearish. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, after forming the bottom here, it is trying to create a channel like this. Now almost it has achieved the top of the channel. Also we had seen that the prices were divergent from the moving averages. Now prices have converged till towards the 50 period moving average, and remember the moving averages are trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign here, and right now it is again trying to take a shape only and only if it stays below 68. Yes, that will be a sure sign that it is again trying to drop, and then the target is still towards 67, 66 level. Till the time we have to be watchful, cautious, because see there is a long tail here, and after that a good rise. This could be a possible retracement which could take the prices further higher, and it could create a good channel of its own. So right now it is trying to reverse, and possibly beyond 69.6 and 70 levels you can again expect that we may see it continuing with the bullish momentum. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has crossed over at the bottom and now trying to trade with a little divergence and bullishness. First wave, second wave, it is starting. Possibly it can take it a little higher. RSI almost flat, and on the 3-hour, now on the 3-hour charts, likewise flat top, flat bottom. You're trying to trade in this channel, and hence 70 levels is what is the next beyond resistance on the 3-hour charts. Beyond 70, certainly more bullish momentum can be seen. Also, the moving averages are trading with divergence. Is still bearish. The price was diverged from the moving average. It has converged till towards this level. Stochastic was overbought. Now looking downwards, the MACD has crossed over and trading with very little divergence here. This is still, but you can see this was a fat belly here, which is trying to converge a bit. So it's still not showing a confirmed bullish direction as of now. RSI flat, and on the 4, likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation here. Now, see, on the one hand, on the long term, it is trying to trade bearish. While if you observe this tail, this is very important. It has shown a pullback since then, and it is retraced here. Now, if it stays above 70, certainly more bullishness is going to be seen there. Hence, that is the one point where we should be watchful there. At the same time, trading beyond this zone at 68.8, 69.2. Certainly we can see 68.4 and 68. In fact, below 68 also we may see a good drop there. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is still bearish, trying to converge crossover. RSI almost flat, and on the daily chart. Now look at daily chart. See, that is why I say 68.8. Even if it achieves 68.8, the chances of a pullback will remain high. Because see, a previous candle with a very long sharp tail and a retracement candle, you can say, where we have seen prices retracing a bit. Now the new candle has started. If it continues on the upside, we can see little more bullish movement till towards 71 levels. Possibility exists that 70.5, 71, this is the zone where it is going to get the next maximum resistance here. Now also if you look at what it has done, higher highs, higher lows, it is still very much trading within this channel, and this is still a bullish channel as of now. Though yes, the price is on the upside at around 74 are a very strong resistance zone. However, and also it has achieved the bottom here, which is also very strong support zone. Now after the drop, it is trying to trade in this. Possibly I will wait for 70 levels to be breached today. If it does, certainly little more pull can take it till towards 70.5 first target, and then 71 72 levels also to be seen. Stochastic has dropped, try to recover. MACD not indicative of anything, and RSI almost trading flat. Considering this, only sell entry today is below 68.8 levels. I will say below that 68.5 or 4 levels. First target 68 next, and if it stays below 68, more bearishness might take it for 67, 66, 65 levels also. Chances are less. Possibly I will look forward to a little retracement, but only if it stays above 70. 70.5, 70.1 are two major resistance. Beyond 71, certainly it can try to fly high again till towards 72 and plus levels. So a buy entry, what I will recommend here is at around 70 levels. But yes, you can try to initiate. Those who want to risk a little can buy at 69.6 and expect a rise till 70, and if it breaks past 70, more bullishness to prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Natural gas on the hourly charts has given a very good gap up opening today. In fact, has gone to the next destination in 2.9. And remember, it has still got the scope for $3 levels in the near future. We had discussed this several times in the recent past, and we have been mentioning this in the since 2.1 levels. Now you can see it has opened on a bullish note. There is a gap left there on the downside. If it stays below 2.8786 levels, certainly we can see 2.8486, very good support zone, and below that we can see here a net gas achieving 2.82 and 2.8 levels. Very strong support till towards 2.8 levels. Also, if you look at the moving averages are trading with extreme divergence, and the price is extremely divergent from the moving average. So possible retracement can be expected. Even I will recommend you to sell here at 2.87 levels itself. You can sell here at 2.87, but then expect 2.86, 84, 2.8. Very strong support till towards 2.8 levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is bullish, extremely bullish, trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over. It is still staying bullish. RSI is extremely overbought, and on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation here. Now see, the price is divergent, and now the moving averages have just started to diverge, so it can still continue with the upward move. With a little retracement, it can shoot back up again on the upside. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, and it's still in green. RSI overbought, and on the 3-hour chart, now similar is the observation on the 3-hour chart. Trading outside Bollinger Bands, there should be a little pullback, taking it till towards 2.84, 2.828 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still divergent, bullish, looking upside, and hence it is still showing potential for a rise. RSI overbought, and on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation, nothing different. Stochastic here is also overbought. MACD still is having a room for it to rise. RSI is also little overbought here. Similar is the observation on the daily charts. On the daily charts, first of all, the previous or the week opening candle is a slight pullback is what we have seen. And now if it stays below, it has to drop below this levels at 2.87. Once it stays below 2.87, 2.86 zone, certainly we may see it filling the gap till towards 2.84, 2.8 levels. Possibility of a retracement exists. The prices are extremely divergent. However, you can see the moving averages now only have started to look upwards, and it can continue with the upward move. Stochastic overbought here too. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is little overbought now. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.9 and sell at 2.7 levels. For this 3 cents, do not take any position below 2.7, below 2.87. You can expect 2.8485 first target, or rather I will say 2.86 also, but still 2.484 is a very good resistance zone, and then below that 2.882 is the next support zone. If it stays below 2.882, certainly stay short, and we are going to look at 2.75, 2.7 levels in the near future, either today or maybe tomorrow. Also on the upside, beyond 2.93 is the target. Yes, $3 is the target, which it might try to achieve, if not today, possibly next month also. But we have a long target of $4 to $5 in the near future. Right now, it is on the path of it. Let's see if it continues there. Maybe. The support there is already seen. We have seen that it is already there at around 2.1 levels, which should not be breached in any case, and hence any drop till there is a long-term buy. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.